Hey everyone! Today we are walking through our Sudoku game built in Python using Pygame. Let's go ahead and launch it. As you can see, when the program starts, you're greeted with the game start screen. Here you can choose your difficulty: easy, medium, or hard. Easy leaves 30 cells empty, medium leaves 40, and hard leaves 50. We'll start with the easy mode. The board generates with 30 empty cells. The pre-filled numbers are locked in and cannot be edited. Here's our game board. You'll notice the thicker lines separated into 9 3 by 3 boxes. At the bottom, we have three buttons: reset, restart, and exit. To select the cell, just click it. The selected cell is highlighted with a red outline as shown in the demonstration. When you type a number, like you see, it's sketched in, which means it's shown small in the top left corner. This is your guess before you comment. Press enter to confirm the sketched value. The number moves to the center of this cell. Place value. Click on another empty cell. Then press the right arrow key to move one cell to the left, or a left arrow key to move one cell to the right. You can navigate using the arrow keys up, down, left, and right to move between cells without lifting your hands off the keyboard. You can also overwrite a sketch value just by typing in a new number. Like if I wanted to type in, let's say I made this 4 and I wanted to overwrite it with 6, I could just type in and enter, and it's a new value. Um, yeah, and there it is. This is just a representation of the easy mode. Now let me show you the other buttons from the games, and now let's restart and let me show you the other buttons. From the game start screen, let's launch a new board. Let's go to medium. Now let's say I put 4 for this one, 5 for this one. The reset button wipes all your entered values and sketches and returns the board to its original generated state. The pre-filled numbers stay, like you can see, and everything you typed is cleared. So once I click the reset button, as you can see, the entered values are cleared. The pre-filled numbers, however, cannot be changed or cleared. If you press the reset button, as you can see, the pre filled button numbers are not getting cleared, and you also cannot overwrite on top of the pre-filled numbers. Now let's go back and let's try hard. So let's look at the loose condition. We'll play on hard mode, 50 empty cells. Using the arrow keys again, we can go from one cell to another, and we can start and we can fill up this board. And after I fill up this board, you can see it'll display hard. It'll display I lost the game. So in Sudoku, a single row and a single column cannot have the same value multiple times, and each 3 by 3 cell cannot have the same value. So if it has the same value for either one of the rows or columns or 3 by 3 cells, then it should display a message of I lost the game. So let's just fill up this board really quick. As you can already see, there's three trees in a row, so I should get a message of that I lost. Just really quick. Now, as I mentioned, because I did not follow the rules of the game properly, it's showing a you lost screen. And now from here, I can again click on the restart button, and clicking on the restart button will take me back to the home page screen where I can again start the same process like I showed at the beginning. Choose from easy, medium, and hard. Um, so that was the game over screen, the previous one. The board was full but not solved correctly. And another button that I forgot to mention is the exit button. If I want to go to another level and don't want to play in this level, I can click on the exit button, and it will completely just exit me out of the game and by itself. Thank you so much for this.